Hey everyone, welcome back to the Eco Effect. Today, we're diving deep into the impact of climate change on our planet and its inhabitants. With temperatures rising, natural disasters increasing, and ecosystems being disrupted, it's important for us to understand the consequences of our actions. If you're passionate about environmentalism or concerned about the future of our planet, this is a video you don't want to miss. Let's get started. In order to understand the impact of climate change, we need to know what's causing it. The main driver behind climate change is the increase in greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, primarily carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat from the sun, causing the Earth's average temperature to rise over time. This process is known as the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that's essential for life on Earth. However, human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes, have significantly increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, leading to a rapid and unnatural increase in global temperatures. This is what we commonly refer to as global warming. As global temperatures continue to rise, we're seeing significant changes in the Earth's climate and weather patterns. Some of these changes include extreme heat events. As average temperatures rise, extreme heat events are becoming more frequent and severe. These events can cause heat waves, droughts, and wildfires, putting both people and ecosystems at risk. Heavier precipitation. Warmer air can hold more moisture, leading to more intense rainfall and snowfall events. This can result in flooding and other water-related disasters. Stronger storms. The increasing temperature difference between the Earth's poles and the equator can cause more powerful storms, such as hurricanes and typhoons. These storms can cause immense damage to coastal communities and ecosystems. Changing seasons. As global temperatures rise, the timing of seasons is shifting. This affects plant and animal life cycles, agriculture, and the availability of water resources. Now that we've seen some of the effects of climate change on Earth's climate and weather patterns, let's explore its impact on ecosystems and biodiversity. Climate change is causing significant disruptions to ecosystems and threatening the Earth's biodiversity. Some of the ways climate change is impacting ecosystems and species include habitat loss. As temperatures rise, the distribution of plant and animal species is shifting. Many species are being forced to move to cooler, higher elevations or towards the poles, causing habitat loss and fragmentation. This can result in reduced genetic diversity and an increased risk of extinction. Ocean acidification. As the Earth's atmosphere absorbs more carbon dioxide, the oceans are becoming more acidic. This can have detrimental effects on marine life, particularly species that rely on calcium carbonate to build their shells or skeletons, such as coral reefs and shellfish. Disruption of food chains. Changes in temperature, precipitation, and other factors can impact the abundance and distribution of various species within food chains. This can lead to imbalances, with some species thriving while others struggle to survive, causing cascading effects throughout ecosystems. Loss of pollinators. Climate change can negatively affect the populations of pollinators, such as bees and butterflies. These creatures play a vital role in plant reproduction, and their decline could have serious consequences for both wild ecosystems and agricultural systems. With ecosystems and biodiversity under threat, it's essential to understand the impact of climate change on human populations as well. Climate change has far-reaching consequences for human populations, affecting our health, economy, and way of life. Some of the most significant impacts include food security. Climate change can lead to reduced agricultural yields due to shifting growing seasons, extreme weather events, and changes in precipitation patterns. This can result in food shortages, rising food prices, and increased risk of hunger and malnutrition. Water scarcity. Changes in precipitation patterns and melting glaciers can lead to water scarcity in many parts of the world. This can exacerbate existing water-related challenges, such as access to clean drinking water, sanitation, and irrigation for agriculture. Health risks. Climate change can contribute to the spread of vector-borne diseases, such as malaria and dengue fever, as well as respiratory illnesses caused by increased air pollution and allergens. Additionally, extreme heat events can result in heat-related illnesses and fatalities. Displacement and conflict. Climate change can lead to the displacement of people due to sea level rise, extreme weather events, and other factors. This can result in increased competition for resources, social tensions, and even conflict. With these wide-ranging impacts, it's clear that addressing climate change is not only an environmental issue but also a humanitarian one. In conclusion, climate change is having a profound impact on our planet and its inhabitants, affecting everything from our weather patterns to the health of ecosystems and human populations. Understanding these impacts is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate and adapt to the challenges posed by climate change. As global citizens, it's important that we recognize the urgency of the situation and take action to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions, preserve ecosystems, and build resilient communities. Remember, every small step we take can make a difference. So, let's work together to protect our planet for future generations. Thanks for joining us today on the Eco Effect. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family. Remember to subscribe for more educational content on environmentalism and other important topics. See you in the next video.